What's up, you guys? It's your girl T Chantel, and I am back with another makeup tutorial. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace. So first I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shade Take Concealer in the shade Tan Deep Sand. And I'm applying that concealer all over my eyelids to give myself a nice blank canvas. Next, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and I'm taking my Morphe 433 brush, and I'm applying that brown shade into my crease area. Now I'm taking the Crown C511 brush, and I am just deepening my crease some. And then I'm going to go back in with the Morphe 433 with that leftover eyeshadow on the brush and just blend everything in. Now I'm taking that white shade, it's like an off-white shade, and I am applying that on my lid. Now I'm going in with my J. LaRue white gold pigment for a little sparkle on the eyes. Then I went in with my Revlon Big Bad Lash Mascara and my Sephora liner. Now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Gabon, and I am taking my Real Techniques brush. I think this is the Instapot brush, and I'm going to apply that foundation. And also, you guys, make sure you are using primer. I did use primer. It didn't record, so make sure you guys are using primer. Now, I am using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm applying that concealer on my highlighted areas. Now I'm about to contour using the Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Ebony Brown. So before I apply this setting powder, I'm just going back in and blending in my concealed areas just to make sure everything is flawless, because once you put that powder on, it's a wrap. So you want to make sure everything is good. Now I'm going in with the crayon case, chalk dust setting powder in the shade Y, and I'm setting those highlighted areas. Now I'm setting my contour with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy. Now I'm going to dust away that powder, the extra powder, and then I'm going to take that same brush and chisel out my cheeks. Now I'm applying blush using my crayon case blush blender palette, and I'm using the first page, I'm pretty sure, because I love that page, and I'm applying that on my cheeks. I think blush and highlight is like my favorite part of doing makeup. Comment down below what part of your makeup routine you like to do. Now I'm blending that blush in, and I'm using my same foundation brush, and I'm also going in with that white shade I use on my lid, and I'm putting that in my inner corner. So I like to set my face before I apply my highlight. And I am using the Kiko Milano water eyeshadow. And I'm using that for my highlight for this look. Now I'm going in with my foundation brush with that little bit of product left over on it. And I'm just blending in my highlight. And now I'm taking my MAC lip pencil in the shade Chestnut and lining my lips. I'm going to apply Orchid by Shady Lips Cosmetics in the middle. I'm giving myself a ombre lip. And that is pretty much it, y'all. If you guys have any looks you would like for me to do, please comment them down below. And thank you guys for watching. Peace out.